I'm not even gonna lie, bro. That's probably the first time I've ever went to a nature preserve, especially one that I've been to before, and get completely lost, bro. Like, I don't even see no trail. Like, bro, like, I'm not even in no trail right now. Like, I'm just walking on the hill. Like, I'm low-key lost. Like, bro, I'm chilling, though. Like, because I know I could eventually find my way out. So, I'm just going to explore for now. Oh, my gosh.